In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this kind of cookie consent, cookie GDPR, that allow you to create different kind of user information, and user can also disable the information and customize consent information based on their policies. In some countries, this is very important to have in any website. If this is not available in any website, the Google does not allow you the Google AdSense and many other policies. So this is very important to add any consent in your website that the Google will accept you and the website will be on the priority base. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this kind of consent or cookie consent very easily, and very easily you can install on your WordPress website, as well as you can track the information in the dashboard. So let me get started. First of all, you need to open the CookieBot website. This is free of cost. So here you can just click on start trial. Here you can just click on continue with Google, or you can also sign up with your email account, or you can also go with your Microsoft account. So I will just click on continue with Google. Here I will just click on my email account, and here is the profile information that is asking for. So for now you can skip this information. Here is the create consent. So here you can name your consent. So I'll say Google consent, and here you can select a country, for example, and here you can add your domain name here. So I will put my domain here, and here you can select your legal framework, for example GDPR, CCPA, or TSP. Many countries support the CCPA or CCPR and so on. So here I will just go with GDPR. Okay, so this is the general data protection regulation that is allowed in many countries, and there are many countries perform many other rules. Okay, and just click on next, and here you can select the consent type that you are going to show on your website. Here is the PAR. For example, sometime you see this kind of consent on many websites, and here you can see sometime you see this kind of consent. So you can see the preview of the consent that you want to add on your website. For example, here is the other information. So here I just go with this dialog and just save and next. And here invite other people to collaborate. So here you can add the emails of the people that you want to invite for the CookieBot. So I'll just add it later. And here you can see here is the auto logging. For example, you can add this script how to place is into your website. So you can go with Google Tag Manager, GTM, or other operational implementation methods. You can go with Google Tag Manager or other implementation methods. You can just copy this script and paste it to your head of the website. You can just do, or you can also do with the Google Tag Manager. And for now, in our case, we are using WordPress website. So I will go into my website dashboard. In our website, you just need to go here into plugins and click on add new, and here search for the CookieBot plugin that allow you to connect or add the CookieBot or consent on your website. So here I just click on install. You can see this is developed by CookieBot, and click on activate. Now the CookieBot has been installed on our website. Here you can see. Now we get back after installing in the plugin. We get back into our dashboard and just click on here finish, and here you can see your banner is not live yet. So here is the implementation. So how you can add this? So this is very simple. If you want to add into your website, so here in your WordPress website, you just go here into CookieBot and click on settings, and here you can find out how you can find your user sent ID, and here you just need to add the ID. So here you will get back into the dashboard, and if you see here, this is the ID that we need to put into. So you just need to copy this, and here in that you just need to paste this ID, and you just need to click on connect. Now our cookie consent has been connected with our website, and if you go here on the overview and refresh it. While you can see it will take within 30 minutes, it will be connected on our website. So let me overview all other features of this. So here in the analytics, you can see the analytics of the this consent that has been displayed, and here you can navigate the interactions, and as well as you can grab other analytics. So here in the configuration, you can add the other websites if you want to add, and here is the legal specifications. There you can select or deselect the the GDPR CPM category consent and so on. So here in the services, you can add your services into the consent. For example, here is the data processing consent, and if you want to add some more consent, for example Google Analytics or YouTube, so here I select the functional category, for example here, and here is the stay on the current. Okay, so share on the front, and here I will add this service as well as into our consent. So this will be added into our consent. So here you can also make it the live. Okay, so here you can see after clicking on publish, it will be live. And here in the categories, you can also add or remove the category. For example, marketing, functional, and here is the essential categories. So if you want to add more categories into your consent, you can add the new categories, and you can also put the services into the category. For example, I have added the YouTube consent service into the functional category, so you can also add. So here in the appearance, you can customize the color combination according to your website. For example, if you are using this, and in the styling, you can just change the color combination or the font styles according to your needs on the this consent. Okay, and in the layout, you can also change the layout later on. So you can see these are the layouts that are supported by CookieBot. And here in the consent, you can change the text information that is displaying on your consent pop-up. So here you can see these are the information that you can easily change and make your own words here. And keep in mind, if you leave this like that, it is also okay. And here in the labels, you can also change the labels of the categories or the tabs that are using into your consent. And here in the integration, you can also add the MyOS integration and also the fraud zero integration with this. So this is an additional part of this. And here in the implementation, I already told you, you can just copy and paste into the header of the website. You can also do. And here in the manual blogging, you can also use the Google Tag Manager to add, but the WordPress thing I have already told you in this video. So how you can connect with your WordPress website and via installing the CookieBot plugin. And here is the data processing GDPR that you can see. These are the services and endpoints that are being used. So here are the data layers. You can also add the other window event if you want to add. And here in the ABC testing, for example, display 2 or more experiments on your CMP to determine which version of the most efficient. For example, sometime you can also add which GDPR is working nice and which GDPR is not working good. Okay, so here is the all overview of this amazing tool or the website that allow you to create unlimited consents for your website, and which is very important for your website nowadays according to Google policies. If we talk about the pricing of this website, this tool, that for one domain per month up to 1,000 sessions, this is free of cost. There is no any cost for this. And here is €70 for the one domain per month up to 1,500 sessions and so on. So this price is for 3,000, and this price is 15,000, and this price is for 50,000. So I already told you how you can get started with the free trial. So you can get started with the free trial and you can enjoy this free of cost. And I hope you are going to love this video, that is very amazing. And now here you can see this is implemented on my website. Here you can see I can just customize the information, and here I can allow or deny. So I just accept this, and this is going to work. So you can see this is working. Okay, so here in the dashboard is still in the scanning. There is something. So here I just refresh and let's see. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. And if you have any issue related to this video, and if you are stuck anywhere, you can just comment below or contact me. I will let you know how you can resolve the issue. So thank you so much, and subscribe my channel.